Back in my early videos that I made before I was even Tow Vibes, I had a buddy, his name was Brian. You know, some of you that followed me from the beginning probably remember Brian from, you know, the first videos that I was doing. And he fell on hard times. His mom passed away, and I helped a lot of people in towing and in the automotive industry around where I live. You know, it's part of my good nature, and fortunately people tend to take advantage of it. Just like Brian, you know, he came up on some money, and he helped me out at the beginning. Actually, I don't think I'd be able to make it to where I am today if it wasn't for Brian. And I went to a car dealer buddy of mine to help out Brian. I told him he needs a new car, you know, I'll co-sign it, whatever, just get him in some wheels. And he sold him this biggest piece of shit truck. I mean, it was a Ranger with like 300,000, it leaks from everywhere, the thing is just trash. And he's had nothing but problems with it since he's got it. So I towed it over here for him. You know, he helped me out a few times. Although we're even, he burnt that car up a long time ago. So we're gonna go ahead and unload his truck that's broken down, and I don't know what he's gonna do to fix it, because he can't even pay me, let alone pay to get his truck fixed. What's up, Brian? Oh, how have you been?
All right.
Why do you have?
Had to call off work.
Why do you have a black eye?
I woke up last Tuesday with it swollen.
Right.
And it popped and bled a little bit later in the day.
Oh, I gotcha. All right. I got your truck. Are you gonna be able to just push it in a lot? What do you want to do? Where do you want it?
Yeah. Let me ask Judy if we can just park it in the...
Well, we'll just have to put it on the street, Bri. I'll put it on this side, right by this tree right here. All right. But I had to take that Camry back to the city, kind of like 5 miles from here, so I was able to squeeze yours on.
Okay.
All right.
Like your Class M truck.
Yeah, I just got it. You didn't know I got that truck?
No.
Oh.
Remember, the smaller one was the one I saw where you...
I know.
20 was where I saw...
Yeah. I know. You know I worked hard for this truck. Fuck,
yeah.
You've been there.
Yeah.
Through the whole journey. I mean, I'm sorry Dan had to sell you such a beater that's been giving you nothing but trouble since you had it.
Right.
I feel bad because I kind of hooked you up with him, but at the same time, he did allow you to make payments on it.
Right.
All right, Brian, I'll see you. All right, Brian. Brian, where you going? You ain't gonna say bye? You ain't gonna say bye? Huh?
I'll see you later. I still had to do my laundry. I was taking the key in.
How are you gonna get this truck fixed, brother? You got money to get it fixed?
I have to try to get money together. I've been working
Yeah.
a lot at FedEx, so.
Right on.
Okay.
Peace out, bro.
Peace out.
Hey, Brian.
Huh?
One last thing. It's the girl's birthday next week. You could come by and come have some cake and stuff, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, man. I'll see you.
If
Peace
I
out.
can't make it, tell Gianna I said happy birthday.
Okay.
Or your other daughter, if it's your other daughter's birthday.
All right, I'll see you.
Which I hadn't gotten to meet her yet.
It's all right, Briella. You'll meet her soon. I'll see you, buddy. Hey, Brian.
Yeah.
I forgot one last thing.
Yeah.
I'm giving you this Toyota Camry.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you.
It's all right. You helped me out a lot, man, throughout the years. And, you know, I don't know if I'd be where I'm at today without when you got that money and stuff, and how you helped me, and
Yeah.
my truck broke a few times, and
Yeah.
although I paid you back and we're square,
Yeah.
all right. But just promise me you'll take care of this car, bro.
I will.
You're gonna. It needs a couple little things, some little exhaust weld on it, and a shock absorber and stuff. But I got the parts already in there. Sorry, I don't have the time to throw it up. But I've already towed this 3 times, and
Right.
I think that's pretty fair. What do you
Right.
say?
Yeah.
We're good?
Yeah.
I'll have the title for you and everything next week.
Okay.
You good?
Okay. Yeah.
Bring it in, bro.
Thanks.
No problem, man. Let me unload it.
Give me the car. This is Judy. This is Sonny's aunt.
Hey, Judy, how you doing? I'm on. Brian's a dear friend of mine, and he helped me a lot at the beginning starting off. So, although I did pay him back and stuff, and, you know, it's
Kinda
just,
like him.
I hate seeing him down on his luck, and after his mom passed and stuff, I know it's been hard for you. So,
But I tell you what, goes to work every damn day.
you do. And I appreciate you, Brian. So don't go things, man. You're a good person. You don't do bad things to people. And you know what I'm saying? The Lord put you in my path. You know, I've had a lot of bad people in my life lately, but you were always a good person in my life, Brian. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload it, all right? You come back. This is it. It's a 2002 Camry, it's 116. I probably would have got about $5 grand for this car. How's work been going, Brian? How long have you been over at FedEx for?
I started back there in November.
Right on.
So November 20th, I'll have been there a year.
Good. Well, now you guys got something good, man. I'm glad I can help you out, Brian. Sorry we haven't been hanging out much, man, but when you got 2 kids,
Yeah.
you know, you really don't have a lot of time for friends. I'm gonna be checking on you, making sure you're keeping in good shape and everything. All right.
You know, if you ever
AC's ice cold, sunroof. Go ahead, Brian, hop in it. Probably have to put the seat back a little bit.
is this your scratch?
Yeah, I'm gonna get all that here in a second.
Okay. You just never know what people drop here.
That better? Good. Park it in the driveway. Just come by next week. We'll get the. I gotta get the title and everything for you set up. All right. All right. To wait till I move my bed, Brian. There he goes.